So stop scrolling muna for a second mga preng, because in the next 5 years, some of you watching this right now, mga preng will no longer ride a gasoline motorcycle. And the crazy part, you won't even miss the sound. Mga preng, electric motorcycles are not coming. They're already here. And the real question is, are Filipino riders actually ready for it? Right now mga preng, big motorcycle brands are quietly shifting. Honda, Yamaha, startup from China and Europe. They are not asking if electric bikes will replace gas bike. They are asking how fast. But here's the problem. Most riders are talking about electric bikes the wrong way. They argue about speed, about sound, and also about sa wala namang dating. But almost nobody is talking about the real game changer. And once you understand this mga preng, you'll never look at motorcycles the same again. Mga preng, let me explain motorcycle in the simplest way possible. A gasoline bike is a machine. An electric bike is a device. Mga preng, gas bikes depend on fuel, combustion, heat, oil, moving parts, at saka yung maintenance. Electric bike, battery, motor, controller. That's it. That's why electric bikes accelerate instantly. No gears, no delay, just torque. When you twist the throttle, it moves. Now mga preng, let's talk about the 3 things rider always ask: battery and range. Most modern electric bikes today average 80 to 150 kilometers per charge. For daily city riding, that's already more than enough. But here's what most people don't realize mga preng. You don't charge an electric bike the same way you gas up. You charge it while you sleep. Ito yung reality talaga mga preng ha. Imagine this. You get home, park your bike, plug it in. Tomorrow morning, full tank. No gas station, no lines, no price increase stress. Fast charging is improving mga preng. Some models already do 0 to 80% in under an hour. This tech is still early and it's already this good mga preng. Now let's talk about maintenance. Electric bike don't need oil changes. No spark plug, no clutch plates. Less parts means less problem. Mga preng, that's not marketing. That's basics. Preng, now let's be honest ha. Philippines is not a Japan and also not Europe. So let's talk reality. Pros dito sa Pilipinas, number 1, daily commute. Electric bikes are perfect for city riding. Short distance, traffic, stop and go. Number 2, yung cost. Electricity is still cheaper than fuel long term. Yung number 3, silence. Mga preng, you don't realize how tiring noise is until it's gone. Ngayon yung mga cons naman dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. Charging infrastructure, still weak. Long rides, you need planning. Floods, this is where you must be smart. Mga preng, electric bikes are not magic. They require responsible riders. So now, let's talk about Honda. Honda doesn't rush trends mga preng. They observe, they test, then they enter strong. The Honda WN7 and upcoming electric concept are not made to impress YouTubers. They're made to last 10 years mga preng. That's Honda philosophy. Is it fast? Enough? Is it flashy? No. Is it reliable? That's the point. Electric motorcycle are not about ego mga preng. They're about efficiency. So ngayon pag-usapan natin yung electric versus gas. Gas bike gives you emotion through sound. Electric bikes give you emotion through movement. Different feelings, same freedom. Mga preng, riding is not about noise. Riding is about escape. And once electric bike become cheaper, lighter, faster to charge, there will be no debate anymore. So here's my honest prediction mga preng ha. Gas motorcycle will not disappear. But electric motorcycle will dominate daily riding. Weekend rides, gas. Daily grind, electric. Preng, the future of riding is not one or the other. It's a choice. And the riders who understand this early will always be ahead. Think about that mga preng, the next time you twist the throttle.